Sri Sharma Garu, coordinator of PM Usha scheme, and another important personality for this program, host coordinator Dr. R. Nagaraj Garu, and another important personality on the stage from Black Dust. Sri Sahil Garu from Blackbirds Education Department, and our beloved Women Empowerment Cell Coordinator Srimati B. Vanishri Madam Garu, and all other dignitaries, respected dignitaries, resource persons, faculty members, and dear participants. Good morning to all. Once again, I am pleased to address this gathering on the occasion of the 5-day faculty development program on advanced research methodology with AI tools and academic excellence at our college, organized in collaboration with Blackbirds Education and supported by PM Usha. On this occasion, I would like to say thanks to Dr. Pola Bhaskar Garu, IAS, former Commissioner of the College of Education, and present Commissioner of the College of Education, Dr. Narayan Bharat Gupta Garu, and also State Project Director for PM Usha scheme, Dr. Tulasi Madam Garu, AGO, as well as Assistant SPD of this program, PM Usha program, and all other AP State PM Usha team. In today's academic environment, research quality and ethical practices and the effective use of emerging technologies are essential. This program is timely and aims to equip faculty members with advanced research skills and responsible use of AI tools to enhance research output and academic excellence. I appreciate the efforts of the PM Usha coordinator, Sri A. Ravishekar Sharma Garu, and course coordinator, Dr. R. Nagaraj Garu, the organizing committee, and our academic partner, Blackbirds Education, for making this program possible. I encourage all participants to actively engage and apply the knowledge gained in their research work. I wish the program great success. Thank you.